It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. By being meticulous about what went into building this Escalade ESV, you can get whatever you want out of it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V8 engine. From Kelley Blue Book, we feel the Escalade ESV delivers the smoothest and most comfortable ride offered on a body-on-frame vehicle. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.